NVLM 1.0 is a groundbreaking multimodal large language model that achieves state-of-the-art results on vision language tasks. It rivals leading proprietary models like GPT-4o and open access models like Llama 3v405b and Intern VL2. NVM 1.0 shows improved text-only performance after multimodal training. The model weights and code are open-sourced for the community. NVLM 1.0 performs on par with leading models across vision language and text-only tasks. It demonstrates significant improvements over its text backbone on text-only math and coding benchmarks. The NVLM 1.0 D72B model showcases good instruction following capability and can generate high-quality, detailed image descriptions. It can understand humor, perform localization, and solve math problems with step-by-step reasoning. NVLM 1.0 is a versatile model that utilizes OCR, reasoning, localization, common sense, world knowledge, and coding ability.